Calabash CNC Maker Squad. So here we go. This thing, I'm calling it the Beast now, I've tested it out. Well, now I've got to open it up and check it. Of course, clean all the parts, get all the manufacturing oils and stuff off it from the shop. And then I got to paint everything and finally Loctite and do the final assembly. Put everything back together. And then I'm ready for like production run. So sort of in the home stretch here, but of course we got quite a bit of work to do yet to get to that final stage of that production run. So without further ado, I guess here we go. Alright, so obviously the blades are perfect. They didn't even get a single even tiny little dent in them. And I pretty much hit them with everything I got. There was some material that was jammed into the slot, but there's nothing I can do about that. And I would expect that that would eventually wear out or wear through, but it might be an indicator that I might need to open this thing up every now and then and sort of clean it out. But then again, I might not need to take the whole thing apart to do that. I might be able to just remove the hoppers and then sort of pick away at it from the end, or from those little access holes. So I guess that's all I'm gonna call it for tonight. And tomorrow I'll probably be doing cleaning. So I need to do that in preparation for painting. But this is good for now. All right. Calabash CNC Maker Squad. So here we are. We're about to finish putting the chipper shredder together, and I've got my friend Zam here with me. Zam, why don't you tell us a little bit about yourself and about what got you interested in manufacturing technology?
Hi, my name is Zam. Yeah, I'm here to see what Seth doing. I'm interested in how he fix it and how he make the machine gonna run. So I will see what he's doing.
Yeah, it's going to be exciting.
Yeah.
We've got a lot of really cool stuff that we put together. What country are you from?
I'm from Myanmar.
From Myanmar?
Yeah, it's Southeast Asia between Thailand and India.
Okay. And is there a specific area in Myanmar that you're from?
We call Chin State. It is close to India. I think it's northern part of Myanmar.
Okay. That's really cool. And it's okay, you brought your son with you today?
Yes.
And it's okay to have him on the camera?
Sure.
Do you want to introduce him?
Yes. This is my son, my older son, Nang Hon. You can call him Nang. He will be here to help us capture what we are doing.
Yes, and just a little bit of cleanup work and stuff. So, you excited to work today? Say hi to everybody.
Hi.
Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and get started here, and we're just gonna work through this. So, and oh, by the way, you said you're gonna be working at the Mazda Toyota,
No, I'm currently working at Shape Corporation. They making auto part.
Yes.
Like a bumper, BMW bumper, and wheel liner,
Okay.
and windshields.
I see. Okay. Okay. But you're studying to be a manufacturing engineering.
Yes.
Okay.
It's gonna be industrial maintenance.
I see. Yes. Okay. So you'll be working with lathes and CNC machines and stuff like that. So,
Yes.
and that's kind of what we're building here at Calabar CNC. So, I think we share some common interest here, and let's get right to work, huh?
Sure.
Okay.
All right.
Yeah. Test number 3. Here we go. Engine on. Choke on. Here we go. All right. Well, that's test number 3. I think we're good to go. This thing is Loctited up, production ready, and we're just gonna keep going. So here we go. All right, so I'm calling it quits. That's the end for the final assembly of the chipper. It is done. Hope you liked the video. Thank you so much to Zam and his boy Sean. They really helped out a lot. We got a lot done. Please like, subscribe, and share to receive more videos like this. And I'll see you in the next one.